Welcome to my channel. Let's make some chili, sweet chili. So, as you can see, we've had some garlic, some chilies from the tree, vinegar, water, loads of sugar because this can become extremely hot. One of these chilies can really send you to the Mercantile Hospital if you are not serious about hot chilies. So here we go. Stir it on the stove. To get that glaze, you just mix a bit of corn flour and you just stir it through, and that's how your sweet chili will just thicken up. I have to make this sweet chili in such a rush because tomorrow my girl has to take a bottle of sweet chili right along with her, and to get rid of most of the humps and the bumps, just strain away some of those chili peels because it can sit in your throat, you know. So there we go. Lovely sweet chili sauce. You can have it with anything, with your egg in the morning, basically over every meal. This doesn't last about a week in this house. And that's our lovely sweet chili sauce, straight from my garden to the fridge. There we go.